नहीं रहा है because it's like switched off और मेरा charge नहीं ले रहा है phone में. Otherwise, I have sent you the screenshot. Someone has said something about me apparently, which makes zero sense.
What?
So do you remember we had a fight a few days ago? We had an argument taking one
When?
particular person, you and me.
Yeah.
So that person has said on their live or on their video story, I don't know where, that I am using someone just for the views. Yeah.
You can say that name. I have already.
No,
Abhi-
no. It's fine. I'm not giving.
Is it about my connection?
No, it's that guy.
Huh?
जिसको लेके हमारा argument हुआ था. It's that guy.
Acha, okay.
He said that I am using someone. You know who someone.
Understood. But what the hell?
Yeah, exactly, bro.
What the
I'm
hell?
so pissed right now. I'm like, what the fuck? You can't just say stuff like that just because I said something about you which was true. And you are saying stuff which is not true and which makes like zero fucking sense.
Fair.
Bro, I am like so mad at him, because मुझे ना किसी ने story डाला है, उस story पे मुझे legit tag किया है, and they're like, please, you guys are good friends, sort this out. And I'm like, bro, I don't know what's happening. And I took that screenshot and I've sent it to the guy जिसको मैं apparently use कर रही हूँ paying के लिए. मेरा ये phone चल नहीं रहा, bro. Otherwise I would have like sent you the fucking screenshot.
Oh God, bro. Same, bro. I mean,
it's not charging.
Bro, to be very honest, you also, as a person, I've noticed about you that you have performed as an individual in the game.
Yeah.
And hats off to you. Hats off to you because you were not dependent on anyone. You were performing. You were giving your 100% and all your game was individual.
Yeah.
Even though you couldn't find a connection, but you managed to perform your individual game. And कोई कल उठ के नहीं तुझे बोल सकता कि अरे तू इस पे डिपेंडेंट थी, तू इसके वजह से आगे गई, इसका नाम ले लेके आगे गई. No, actually, you performed and you used your brains. And you know, babe, how difficult it is in the show for this. To survive. It's not easy.
It is not easy, bro. I mean, तुम किसके कंधे पर कितने टाइम तक लेकर चल सकते हो, आगे गेम में जा सकते हो. You need to perform. At some point, you need to perform for yourself.
At every point, you need to perform.
Yeah, I mean,
एक बार आप बच जाओगे, 2 बार बच जाओगे, 3 बार बच जाओगे. Every time you
But
can't.
तुम बार भी बच सकते हो, तुम sympathy card खेलो तो.
That is true.
If you play that sympathy card, you will keep, winning people's heart. And I'm not targeting anyone. It's just the fact. I can't do it. Lip gloss.
And bro, I saw today's episode and this connection who shifted into Pesa Villa, he is saying that Anisha ने तो मेरे को promises दिया, Anisha ने तो मेरे को commitments दिए. Like,
what commitments?
When did I give any promises or any commitments? I am just shocked. I have been very open about my feelings. Like, मेरे को नहीं feel हुआ.
Yeah. And as far as I remember, on the very first day, even we had this conversation ki even though you feel like there could be something between you two, you still want to see because it's just the first day, and you still want to see. Even he agreed to it that he wants to keep exploring and keep seeing people.
That is fine. Exploring is fine. Tell me one thing: why a challenge is made so that we check your
compatibility with that person, of course.
And if you're not able to win one challenge, if you're not able to win the second challenge, if you're not able to win multiple challenges, is your compatibility there? You will have to look for someone. Bro, I guess I had told you also, whatever date and all I had gone Gullu ke sath, I had a good time. And I'm just saying it also loud. I had a good time.
Yeah.
Abhi aage hum
I don't feel so there's like shame in it.
I am to saying it because out of everyone, उनके साथ थोड़ा मेरे को अच्छा bonding हुआ. And चक्ष के साथ भी मैं बता सकती थी, कनेक्शन के साथ भी बोल सकती थी अरे ये है वो है, नहीं हुआ, मैंने क्लियरली बोल दिया ब्रो, नहीं हुआ था.
But
It's just that I am like,
person, if you, I feel like if you're like in a game, obviously Splitsvilla, it's all about making a connection and you know आगे जाना है, but it's also where you have to survive. अगर ना नहीं कनेक्शन के साथ तो तुमको सोलो सर्वाइव करना बहुत
after the story you know, so I can't say it out
Yeah,
now.
of course.
You know what is the thing.
I know.
So just imagine, why would I not explore?
Exactly. I mean, if it
I'm
shows
just like,
you,
I can't say it out right now, but after that thing, how can you expect me to not explore, bro?
no, of course you will explore. I mean, if someone says something and दूसरे मोमेंट पे something else, so obviously आप explore करोगे, आप अपना अपने अपने लिए देखोगे, क्योंकि दुनिया की नजरों के सामने, I'm just saying it indirectly, दुनिया की नजरों के सामने आप थोड़े डिफरेंट दिख रहे हो,
which is fine.
even as a pair, even solo, whatsoever, but you know what the actual truth is.
Reality
and I feel
is,
like people will know that for sure, like very soon.
yeah, that is why I was telling my people also that just give me few days and the reality will come out. Because जस्ट इमेजिन ब्रो, कोई डे वन से मिलके 10 मिनट से अगर ये पैटर्न फॉलो कर रहा है, क्यों करता है कोई पैटर्न फॉलो? इमोशंस लोगों के होते हैं अप्स एंड डाउन. मेरे इमोशंस मैं नेचुरली दिखा रही थी इसलिए मेरे इमोशंस अप्स एंड डाउन आए. लोगों के इमोशंस अप्स एंड डाउन आ ही नहीं रहे. इट्स जस्ट लाइक अ कार्डबोर्ड. हाउ कैन योर इमोशन बी लाइक अ कार्डबोर्ड? जस्ट टेल मी दैट.
It's a flat surface now.
It's a fucking flat surface. Again, no hate for anyone, but it's just that it's a fucking flat surface.
Yeah.
There is no emotions. This क्या बोलते, variations in your emotion. तेरे नॉर्मल दिन में भी इमोशंस में वेरिएशंस आते हैं. मम्मी के साथ झगड़ा होता है, अपनी इसके साथ झगड़ा होता है, प्यार होता है. You have those emotions. There is no emotion. It's just a fucking flat cardboard.
Can you stop?
It's just that
this is the only reason, you know, why I don't come live. Every time people are like bombing me with all these DMs, मेरे DM section में कि Simran please live आ जाओ. Bro, this is the only reason why I don't come live. Either I don't have charging in my phone.
Today I was like, when you left, I was like, shit. I got emotional, bro. I was like, fuck, Simmi left.
Bro,
she's my best friend, and I really love Simran so much. Like, I really love her a lot.
Bro, I saw my dumping in the edits. I did not see the episode. I still have to like watch the episode.
No,
But
watch.
my phone's not charging.
Bro, you look so pretty. Hey, Arav is like, Simran, I cried for you.
I cannot see the comments. मुझे comments नहीं दिख रहे. I can't see the comments. Even this phone has like only 5% charging.
क्या?
The phone has only 5% charging.
I also want